So Lucas and Marcus look very happy and they are going to do crazy Easter egg hunt with their little sister. And Lucas and Marcus also have to find a golden egg and there is some cash in the golden egg. And then Lucas and Marcus say happy Easter to all the viewers and Lucas and Marcus are praying a lot for all the fans and they are appreciating all the viewers. And Lucas and Marcus have a basket of eggs in their hands and Lucas is very excited to play the Easter egg hunt. Then Lucas and Marcus ask their mom about Demi but she does not know where Demi is. And Lucas and Marcus have to play Easter egg hunt with Demi and Marcus can't find Demi upstairs. Then Lucas and Marcus start looking for Demi in the house and Demi is nowhere to be seen outside. And Demi is not even picking up Lucas' calls and Lucas and Marcus look in the room but Demi is not found in the room and Lucas wonders where Demi could be. Then Lucas and Marcus try to find Demi outside and Lucas and Marcus hope that Demi has not escaped with a boyfriend. And Lucas and Marcus continue to look for Demi. And Marcus checks Demi in the tree house but Demi is not in the tree house either. And Lucas tries to find Demi outside the house near the woods and Lucas can't find Demi anywhere outside the house. And Lucas is also thinking about the golden egg and Lucas comes to the gate looking for Demi and Lucas does not know anything about Demi and Lucas hopes that the creepy man has not kidnapped Demi. Then Marcus comes to the pool house to find Demi and Marcus finds Demi in the pool house and Marcus is calling Demi. And when Demi turns around she is smiling strangely. And while Lucas is getting very worried about Demi and then Marcus also tells Lucas that Demi is in the pool house and Marcus also made a video of Demi and Marcus is scared after seeing Demi. And then Marcus also informs his parents about Demi and Marcus also tells his parents about Demi's strange acting and Marcus does not know what happened to Demi. Then Marcus' parents also want to see Demi and it is seen that Demi is smiling strangely and Lucas and his parents want to talk to Demi but Demi is just smiling and not saying anything. And Lucas is also afraid of Demi and then Demi tries to come closer to Lucas and Marcus while smiling strangely and it is seen that Demi has the golden egg and Demi is pranking everything and nothing happens to Demi and Demi also gets cash from the golden egg and Lucas does not know anything about this.